Well, good morning. I'm putting together a little video about my first ever visit to see live in-person horse racing. That happened at Saratoga Race Track a few weeks ago. And by the way, I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded anything to this channel for a few weeks. This is obviously a hobby for me, and I've just had to focus on other things recently. But those of you who have subscribed to this channel, thank you for that. It's great to have you on board. Some of you have written very nice comments on the videos, and again, I really appreciate that. It's very encouraging to me. But without further ado, here's my visit to see horse racing for the very first time. Hi. Good, how are you?
Yeah, straight down.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, I made a video here a few weeks ago before the races started, but now I'm gonna experience the races. Never did this before. And gotta go get my ticket. At the Walk of Fame, there's Mary Lou Whitney. She's very famous around these parts. She's called the Queen of Saratoga. She's a big name in horse racing. Here's one of her lucky hats, I guess. Inductees into the Walk of Fame get one of these red jackets. This jockey had 649 wins. William Mott, famous trainer, trained Cigar, who tied Citation for a record 16 straight wins. John Velasquez had 694 wins, but that was in 2013. I think it's got to be higher now. I don't think he stopped in 2013, so that number's got to be higher. I do recognize this person, Bob Baffert. He was the trainer of American Pharoah, who won the Triple Crown for the first time in 37 years. Anybody won the Triple Crown. He also was the trainer for Justified, who won the Triple Crown.
But you see, she doesn't let her. She stays on with it. She keeps going after her. I don't know. if she improved a little bit off that after all of these fillies would have to step up their game.
Yeah, I have a different interpretation of that race. She raced 4 wide on the track that day. I think it was 4 rail. I also think I'm a buyer for that race. In retrospect, looking back on the close, he ran the 10 times better.
Well, here's the path where the horses come to the starting gate.
Figures where,
And here's one of the many, many places where someone can place a bet.
you know what I mean? Like,
They have plenty of these windows on the premises.
Other stakes place fillies in the end, you say to yourself, this is a little bit, you know, customer list. Who you see, they have the potentially that don't chase out never victor, but they still have to get there. And she's kept this company. And when she runs back to the Spenderella third behind.
This falafel sandwich is pretty good, and of course I got to stay hydrated.
Say, are you naked and afraid? No, naked and famous it is. Oh, look at the coloring.
All right, I've made my way inside the track. This is my first glimpse inside. I'll be sitting somewhere up there, I think. We're inside the clubhouse. Some more betting windows. I'm in my seat. I like the view. Very nice. And I'll have a good view of the finish line.
Famous, and he trails the field. 3 horses out for the early lead. Down the round is of 82 cents. And right alongside is Supersonic, the Monterey Peninsula, the Gray, sitting just off them in third. Hard to handle, making famous. Rhodes in fourth, and Necromancer is the trailer in fifth as they head into the far turn. 82 cents is on top here. 82 cents the leader here by a half length. And on the outside, it is Supersonic.
Okay, now one horse doesn't seem to want to get in the starting gate.
From the outside, along with reflexivity, and the two of them are right together. Lady Coraggio now moves up. So it's three going across the track, and right behind is Tank keeping down, who is racing in the fourth. Rocket City on the outside is next in the fifth. And on back, it's Esquara down the
I like when they hose down the horse after the race, and I think the horse must really like it too. Chance to cool off. I hope they load this thing in front of us for one of these races. I think it's heading down to the other end of the track, but I'd like to see them loaded up in front of us. The sights and sounds of horse racing. I love the bugle. Not sure why I'm fascinated by this so much, but I like this part where they load them in the starting gate. You really feel the anticipation building.
Waiting for a Kumar and locally owned. From the inside to Connie at the rails, direct door from the outside of Kumar, and the rest double next to Connie is fed.
Got to get that thing out of here because the horses will be back in a minute.
Quarter mile, 124, 2 seconds. Now the field is moving up the back stretch, and it is a three-way
Well, I think that's going to do it for me today. A couple of meetings I have to go to, but I will say this, I enjoyed my day at the races. Not sure how often I'll come back, but I did enjoy it. And in case you're wondering, I did not win any money, but nor did I lose any money. I'm not really one for gambling, but anyways, I guess that's going to do it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.